Welcome to the How-To Central, where we'll show you tips and tricks, mobile hacks, and other how-to video. So in today's video, we will show you how to stop apps from running in the background and eating up your mobile data. But first, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be the first to be notified when we have a new video. So let us begin. First, let us navigate to settings. In the settings tab, we'll scroll down to apps. Then we'll search for the apps that we need to stop from running in the background. So we're gonna go on Chrome, and at the top where you see usage and you see mobile data, you click that, and then you'll see the option that say allow background data usage. You will click that and turn it off. Then we're going to do it to our next app. So you go back and select the next app that you want to stop from running in the background. So you go back to the mobile data section, and where you see allow data usage, you will turn that off. So you could do that to a lot of apps, which by default they're running in the background. But please note that there are a lot of apps on your phone that you have no control over. Like, it is set that way that it will always run in the background. So thank you for watching our video, and we will make a part 2, which will show you another way in which you can turn off the apps. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe, like, share.